Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix there is a billing problem with the previous purchase. Tap continue and sign into a view billing information. So if you try to purchase something on the App Store and after that you see this kind of error and it asks for your billing information, also there is error. There is a billing problem with the previous purchase. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And you can also restart your Wi-Fi router. Now you have to go to the settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and you have to reset all of your network setting. So this kind of error usually occurs due to the payment method or due to the any kind of purchase history which have pending payments. So there are two methods available to solve that problem. So first method is that you have to simply open the App Store and you have to simply click on the name or Apple ID in the App Store, and after that you have to go to this method. And the second method is that you have to simply click on name or Apple ID. You have to click on media and purchases, and you have to click on view account here. As you click on view account, there will be options available related to manage payment, subscription, purchase history, and you can simply check for the purchase history and check whether any kind of pending payments are or not. So if any kind of pending payments are available, then you can simply clear the payments, and after that you can also check for the subscription, and you have to check whether any kind of subscription has pending payments or not. Moreover, you can also check for your managed payments, and you have to check whether your payment methods are working well or not. And if you haven't any, then you have to simply add the payment method, and after adding the payment method you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply take the screenshot of the problem and send it to the Apple support and ask for the solution. After that, you can also discuss in Apple discussion forum community and ask the Apple forum community to solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.